Hey weekly tasters, there are a few things more exciting and more dynamic than Italian wine, and in this week's pack we're trying a number of my favorite Italian red grapes from some of my favorite places. It's a really great way to reconnect with your Italian wine knowledge and try a grape like Nebbiolo, which is the noble grape in Barolo Barbaresco, to try a Super Tuscan with a Sangiovese and Cab Merlot blend, a Rosa di Montalcino from the Tuscany region, and a really exciting grape, Montepulciano, when it's blended with Sangiovese from the region of the Marche in Italy. Exploring Italy is some of my favorite things to do, and this time we're exploring via the glass.